Welcome once again to ELECTRO-TECH. Today we are doing a local stable lamp. As you ever wondered where some of your devices once get spoiled end up, here we bring to you an innovation that is transforming the whole set of the percolator into a table lamp. Here are the steps, and these are the materials that you need. You need a seat for the percolator, you need the red light, and you also need a hanger, an aluminium hanger. So you also need a wire. As you can see, you fold that aluminium wire that you've gotten from your hanger to the seat. You make sure that you unscrew it and bend from the seat. As you're watching, you can follow very well. So you make sure that you fold it so that it can fit on the seat. So after that, you connect your wire. If one of the wires is connected to the aluminium wire, or the wire got from the aluminium hanger, then the other one will act as our neutral. So make sure that you connect the wire, the positive to the aluminium wire, then the negative will be taken to the red light directly. So the aluminium wire will act as our holder for the light and as well as our positive. So make sure that you fit it in very well. This video is also sponsored by Good Fortune Technologies. Here we are the main electronic waste management center in Uganda. So as you're watching, make sure that you recycle your e-waste, you recycle those electronic equipment in order to save our environment. This is crucial to everyone, and it is a call. We don't want to see another crazy incident in electronic waste in any area in Uganda. So make sure that you do it responsibly, and that's why we are also doing this video. This is Ewaste, and we are transforming it into an innovation. We also send our special thanks to Engineer Gabriel, one of the main heads behind this video. So make sure that you scroll. Make sure that you follow the video very well so that you don't miss out on anything. So once everything is done, put everything back in place, and make sure that you connect your potentiometer that can act as a switch. And as well for increasing the intensity. Then connect your USB to your PC port. And now it's time to test our innovation. As you can see, it's working. The potentiometer can be varied and the lights go off. Everything is working as planned. So make sure that at least you transform these devices into better products as it is done. Let's fight in proper e-waste disposal. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.